wow, I just discovered a fountain in this pond that's barely coming out of the surface of the water. Had no idea that fountain was there. Probably can't see it, but it's right there. So I'm gonna throw a rooster tail near that fountain. Alright, so I saw some little birds swooping down, hitting the water in the middle of this pond. So I'm going to put on a little rooster tail and see if I can get anything kind of near the surface of the water. Alright, so tried doing some kayak fishing over here by the police department, fire department, and obviously the water park. Could not get anything going with anything I was throwing out there, so I'm just going to wrap up the kayak fishing, do some bank fishing, see if I can have any luck there. So I spent a couple hours kayak fishing, nothing, and like my third cast of bank fishing, I finally land one, pretty small, less than half a pound. So this is bass number 4 since starting to bank fish on the drop shot. So kayak fishing this morning was not successful at all. Did that for an hour and a half, maybe somewhere around there. Decided to start bank fishing, and that's where it was at apparently. And on the drop shot, couldn't get anything on rooster tail, spinnerbait, but they weren't interested in the drop shot. Got about half a dozen in total.